pineapple and cheese, very controversial combination, but I had this at a Mexican restaurant recently and it was absolutely delicious. So what I'm going to do is pickle pineapple and serve it with burrata. Lots of bold, contrasting flavours. So in a pot, we'll start with a pickling liquid, a combination of white vinegar and some caster sugar. And just to give this some warmth and a little bit of difference, I've got some pink peppercorns. They're milder than your black peppercorn or your green peppercorn. And I'm going to leave them whole so they can go straight in, along with one jalapeno that I've taken the seeds out and I've just chopped that. Heat goes on and we're going to bring this up to the boil and then turn it off. What we're wanting to do is just let it bubble away for a moment to dissolve all of that sugar. The last little ingredient that I want to add to this is some lime, and I can zest this or just use one peel. Just that one peel will really flavour this pickle. Okay, in with that and we'll let that bubble away. Now onto the pineapple. If you don't have fresh pineapple or it's not in season, having some frozen pineapple on standby is a fantastic substitute. So I'm just going to grab a few of these pineapple chunks. I have defrosted it already. What I'll do is cut these chunks into small little cubes. They go into a bowl, and once that pickling liquid is ready, I'll pour it over the pineapple. Okay, the pickled pineapple is ready, and if you have time, leave it in the fridge overnight, even better, a couple of days, and then serve it, because the longer you leave it, the more intense the flavour is going to develop. So we'll just drain some of that pickling liquid off, and we'll place this onto this brown plate. I love the contrasting colours. And now for the controversial part, which is serving this with burrata. Burrata is mozzarella and it's stuffed with creamy stracciatella. Have a look at this, it looks like a little money bag. Gorgeous, super tasty. We're gonna place that on top of our pineapple. A pinch of salt, just a tiny bit, and some extra virgin olive oil. And there you go. That is a thought-provoking dish full of flavours and different textures. And if you've got any leftover pickled pineapple, what I suggest is popping it in a sterilised jar into the fridge. It'll last for up to 3 weeks.